December 28 marked the beginning of Goa's third wave, DHS Goa announced today. The daily positivity rate has dropped to 13.89% from yesterday's high of 26%. After 592 fresh cases were recorded in the last 24 hours. We are well prepared to combat the third wave, having learned from past experience. Acting Director of Health Service, Dr. Ira Almeida said.
In the last week, Goa witnessed a sharp rise in COVID-19 cases with average positivity rates nearing 6%. Among the rising Omicron variant cases, one of the infected detected had no foreign travel history. The government convened a meeting with the task force on prevailing situation of COVID, who had suggested implementing night curfew and closure of schools and colleges.
So we at the DHS have actually now designated the start of the third wave as December 28th. Because how we arrived at December 20th as the start of the third wave is that there's been a sustained rise in the previous week, and then there was doubling of cases in the 24 hours prior to the 20th. Now our testing today has been 4,261 tests we have done, and our number of cases was 592, and this gives us about 13% positivity. Now we are trying desperately to increase testing by testing everybody who comes to our district hospitals and sub-district hospitals for whatever reason. Also, we are doing contact tracing of all the positives. In both the district hospitals, we have started a COVID casualty. So whoever is positive can go there for advice. If they are mild cases, they will be sent home for home isolation, and if they require admission, they will be advised regarding admission. To start with, all admissions will be in a super speciality block in GMC. Once 50% of occupancy is reached, both the district hospitals will activate their COVID hospitals. North Goa will function in the hybrid mode. They will offer 100 beds, and South Goa will function from the old hospital where there will be 200 beds. In addition, there will be ICU facilities available at GMC, and 18 beds will be available at the new South Goa District Hospital.
We have tested 4,261 swabs today. Out of that, 592 are positive. This gives us a positivity rate of 13.89 for the day. We have 2 deaths which are reported for today. Admissions are 9 and discharges are 3. Yesterday's figures were more of a Sunday's figures, and this is actual figure what we can say our testing is. And this will remain now something around 3,500 to 4,000 and above every day. If at all the positivity rate continues like this, probably our rate will be increased, the rapid antigen test will be increased. Right now our percentage is more like 76% are more of a RT-PCR, and around 24% are RET, rapid antigen test. So probably if our number of swabs increases or our positivity rate goes high, then our red testing will increase in the peripheries.
Dr. Ira said that one person who was infected with Omicron without any travel history had gone to Kolhapur before testing positive. There is no community spread yet, she emphasized.
He went on the 16th to Kolhapur. On the 19th, he tested positive.
I was supposed to ask, is it a sign of community transmission?
We are looking, since he had this travel history outside Goa to Maharashtra, where there are a lot of Omicron cases, we still have to look for more cases before we declare that there is community spread in Goa.
Shamchari for Goa 365 from Panaji.